Hello, good morning and welcome. And I apologise, I've not been on air just recently, but I've been fairly ill. So I'm getting better now. So here we go. Um, there is one pair I've been having a look at, which I don't normally, and that's the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. And we've had basically on the daily chart, we've had three large candles north, and the the RSI is flattened out now, but I think this is going to be a fairly decent sell. So I'm just looking to enter. So I'll be keeping an eye on that, and I think you ought to too. See if it's of any interest to you. I think, yeah. Well, I've already called it, but there we go. I think that's going to be a fairly good sell. Anybody's finds that of interest. Put that postman's right. Now we'll get back to our normal charts. Here we go. AUDCAD. AUDCAD. I'm in this. I called it over here, and I think this is a pretty good short. It's just bounced about a bit since I did it, so we'll see how that goes. But we did cross the RSI, the trend line on the RSI, and the commitment of traders is bearish the Australian dollar, and well, it's bearish the Canadian dollar as well. So, but I think that's a pretty good selling point on that pair. AUD USD. On the commitment of traders report, it's 42 to 17, so it's about 2.5 to 1 short. And this week they've added another 10,000 short. So I believe, and I've been saying this for a couple of weeks now, this is going to short. But we broke the RSI trend line. We broke it once there. We broke it again there. This is a 26 period RSI, and we are quite high now. I'm just waiting for this to break this red line here, and I think we'll be on the way down. Next one we've got Euro CAD. Yeah, there's nothing there really that I want to trade. I would trade it from around this area here back short. Yeah, that's a bit of a no-no for me today. Euro JPY, I really like this. What I'm waiting for is for it to break this trend line. Hopefully it'll go up somewhere where I got knocked out so that I can retrace those steps. But we'll see what happens there. But I am watching it today. Euro dollar again. I got knocked out. It's followed through short. It seems to be hanging around a little bit at the moment. I'll keep an eye on it and see if I can get back in. But it's it's at the bottom Bollinger Band at the moment, so that isn't really a place to get back in. I think I'm just going to hang about, see what happens. If it comes up to the mid Bollinger Band here, which is about 107, I think I might get back in short. Euro GBP, yeah, if it bounces up, same story. If it bounces up, I'll get back in short. It's in between the middle Bollinger Band and the bottom Bollinger Band. It's just below the midline on the RSI. That's a 12 period. Yeah, best leave that alone, I think. GBP USD. Yeah, if that should go long again, up another 150, 200 pips, I may well short it. But at the moment, I can't see any reason for getting into it. USD JPY. I got into this morning. I'm quite pleased. I got in about 113.60 something or other, 113.80, 90. So I'm quite pleased with that. I think that's going to be a good sell. I could really do with the RSI breaking this this trend line here, but yeah. The commercial the contracts added this week. Long contracts were 2,200 and the short contracts were 6,600. But we have seen a bit of a rally up here last week, so that might be the reason for that. But I think the rally's over, and I think it's just going to fade now back south. So USD CAD. Well, I'm long. My target's up here. But over the next couple of weeks, we are short the Canadian dollar and long the USD. That's the way I feel about this. So I could do with this RSI breaking the trend line, this red trend line, but we'll see how that goes today. Right, WTI, the oil. I was hoping just to put another little position in at the top here, and that opportunity's gone. I think I'm just going to sit where I am. If it has another little rally, I will sell the rally. And I'm short this, and I think it's going to go short. It's still below my trend line, so we'll see what happens there. I thought it would just bounce off that trend line. I was expecting a little bit more height out of it today, but it just never happened. So those are the pairs for today. Thank you for watching, and I will be with you tomorrow, and hopefully a bit earlier, because it's 10:30 now. So yes, I'll get with you tomorrow. Cheers now. Bye.